my God! I'm so happy when I heard this, I'm so fell in love with that music. But anyway, thank you so much, Sir Van. It because you guys want Uma happy. You guys want but thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I can't speak. Oh my God, I'm just thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope you make song for our charity. Thank you so much, sir. I'm so thankful. It's because I have you guys of trust to Uma charity like that. I am thankful. Yes. And I am thankful, of course, it because you respect the live streamers, what is called, of their personality. They need, or we need to hide their private. It because we have a rules here that this is a charity, this is not a dating. But if you love my angels, just message me, and then we interview we're going to interview, and then I'm going to ask them that if they need to, or if they ready to being in a relationship, or being be wife. Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Robin. Oh my God, I fell in love with this song. Just back up.
Tulungan ka ng Oma Charity. Oma Charity, Oma Charity. Hanggat kaya nandyan para di ang Oma Charity. Oma Charity, Oma Charity. Tutulungan ka ng Oma Charity. Oma Charity, Oma Charity. Hanggat kaya nandyan para di ang Oma Charity. Mula sa Korea hanggang sa Pinas, may malalapitan tayo Oma Charity. Kung arara ng buhay mo'y kailangan ng panggas, may makakapitan tayo Oma Charity. Estudyante ka man o singil,